And the last three things here are your rules for multiplying and dividing. Your rules for multiplying and dividing are different than your rules for adding and subtracting. So you got to keep in mind, what am I doing? Am I adding or subtracting, or am I multiplying and dividing? With multiplying and dividing, if my signs are the same, and they're always talking about two numbers, then you get a positive answer, right? A positive times a positive gives you a positive, but a negative times a negative also gives you a positive. If my signs are opposite, then you're going to get a negative answer. So here I have positive 45 divided by negative 5. Positive divided by a negative is going to give me a negative, and then I divide. 45 divided by 5. Now, on the second one I'm multiplying. I'm taking negative 6 times negative 5. Negative times a negative gives me a positive answer, and 6 times 5 is 30. So negative 6 times negative 5 gives me positive 30. Number 29, negative 5 times 7. Again, one is negative and one is positive, so I know my answer is going to be negative. And 5 times 7 is 35. Here I have negative 54 divided by a positive 9. Negative divided by a positive is a negative, and then I divide, so negative 6 is my answer. So number 30, if we take negative 27 divided by negative 9, we get positive 3, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And a negative 4 times a negative 7, 28. Again, a negative times a negative gives me a positive. So